Crisis drill procedures. Crisis drills have a purpose. They are to make sure you stay safe during an emergency situation. Take them seriously. Let the adults be in charge. Move with a purpose, but don't run and be dangerous with your actions. Know where to go and what to do from every class. Know where your assigned location is for each crisis and go to it as soon as the warning is issued. If you are not with your class when the warning is issued, immediately find a teacher or administrator. Assembly procedures. Assemblies are a great way to strengthen school spirit. Stay with your assigned group, usually your advisory. Sit in the correct location. Sixth grade sits on the north side of the main gym. 7th and 8th grade sit on the south side of the main gym. Let the adults be in charge. Listen and stop talking when an adult is talking. It's okay to cheer, but do it appropriately, at the right time, and with the right actions.